Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Mobile not loading, launching, opening or starting on iOS or on Android. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to open up your App Store or Google Play Store if you are on Android and check if there's any updates on PUBG. You will see them here instead of open. You're gonna see update. So you want to go ahead and update PUBG. If not, you want to open up your settings. Now on settings, you want to go to general and then iPhone storage and find PUBG Mobile. Here you want to click offload the app and then reinstall the app. If that will not fix the problem, the last solution would be to just remove and delete the application from your phone, and after that reinstall it again, and that will definitely fix your problem. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.